Hey there, history enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into a topic that's often overlooked, but incredibly important: Jamaica's national heroes. Now, you might be wondering, why should the world care about these figures? Well, sit tight, because by the end of this video you'll see why their stories are not just Jamaican, but universally inspiring. First up, let's talk about Marcus Garvey. Born in 1887, Garvey was a visionary. He championed the cause of black empowerment and unity. His message of self-reliance and pride in African heritage was revolutionary. His work laid the groundwork for future civil rights movements across the globe. Imagine a world without Garvey's influence. The course of history would have been quite different. Next, we have Nanny of the Maroons. This fierce leader of the Maroons, a group of escaped slaves, is a symbol of resistance and resilience. Nanny led her people in guerrilla warfare against the British in the 18th century. Her tactics were so effective that she remains a legendary figure in Jamaican folklore. Nanny's legacy reminds us of the power of determination and the unyielding fight for freedom. Sam Sharp is another name you need to know. He was an enslaved Baptist deacon who led the Christmas Rebellion of 1831. Sharp's uprising accelerated the abolition of slavery in Jamaica. His courage and sacrifice underscore the high price of liberty. His story is a poignant reminder that the fight for justice is never in vain. Then there's Paul Bogle, a Baptist deacon and activist. Bogle led the Morant Bay Rebellion in 1865. His efforts highlighted the dire conditions faced by the poor and disenfranchised. Though the rebellion was brutally suppressed, it eventually led to significant social reforms in Jamaica. Bogle's defiance against oppression serves as a timeless lesson in the pursuit of equality. Now, let's not forget George William Gordon. A wealthy politician, Gordon was a vocal advocate for the poor. He was wrongfully executed for his supposed role in the Morant Bay Rebellion. Gordon's martyrdom galvanized the movement for justice and fairness in Jamaica. His life reminds us of the importance of standing up for what's right, even in the face of grave consequences. Lastly, we have Sir Alexander Bustamante and Norman Manley. These two were instrumental in shaping modern Jamaica. Bustamante, the founder of the Jamaica Labour Party, and Manley, the founder of the People's National Party, set the stage for Jamaica's independence in 1962. Their leadership and vision paved the way for a new era in Jamaican history. So why does Jamaica celebrate these heroes every October? National Heroes Day, observed on the third Monday of October, is a time to honour these remarkable individuals. It's a celebration of their enduring legacy and the values they stood for: courage, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of freedom and equality. In a world that often forgets the struggles of the past, these heroes remind us of the power of resilience and the impact one individual can make. Their stories are not just Jamaican stories, they are human stories. Stories of courage, justice, and the unbreakable spirit of humanity. So, the next time you hear about Jamaica's national heroes, remember their contributions to not just Jamaican history, but our collective human heritage. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.